Yeah, hi everyone. I think, yeah. So now we are in the migration here. Okay, I think in the last session we just seen about the migration. We just initiated that, downloaded the file, right? So now from that particular stage we need to start. Okay, so we have downloaded the file. Okay, so after that, what are the things we need to do? Okay, so we are going to plan accordingly. We want to do that. Okay, so let's get into that. Okay, so already we have downloaded the file, so that's why. Okay, so let me refresh the screen one more time. Okay, yes, so you can see the status. Okay, so now it is in uploaded status. You can see it needs to upload here. So already we have a file. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, what we have seen right now. What we need to do is we need to fill this file here. Okay, so ultimately we need to fill this file and we need to start our execution. Okay, let's fill this file. Okay, so we have a bank. Okay, the first data as a bank, so we have to go for it. So let's go for the bank. Okay, so it's a key. Okay, it is asking for a key. So country, region, like that. Okay, so maybe I'll just give like IN. So IN for India, right? So let me give that. Okay, and bank key we can able to specify like AFSC code, like that. Okay, maybe I'll just put IC. Okay, some code I'll just put that. Okay, yes. Okay, then name of the bank. Okay, maybe I'll just put that. Okay, ICICI Bank. Okay, ICICI. Okay, bank. Okay, state, region, these all things are not mandatory. You can see that. Okay, it's clearly it is mentioned that it is not mandatory here. Okay, yes. So anyway, so I can put that just for an idea. For only for city I can put just for an idea. Okay, we can put some city here. Okay, maybe I'll just put it as Pune. And branch. Okay, so branch also I'll just put it as Pune. Okay, I think there is no other mandatory is available. Okay, but we need a bank number, right? So we need to have a bank number to have this particular case here. Okay, so let's fill the bank number. So some bank number I can put. Okay, right. So now what are the things we have given? So the mandatory, all the mandatory has been taken, considered. Okay, so we have given all the mandatory has been considered, and also other non-mandatory also we have given something like city and the bank branches and all these things we have given. Okay, it's fine here. Okay, and also especially the bank number we have given. I think it is more than enough. If anything is important but we are not given, okay, system will automatically find that. Okay, nothing to worry here. Okay, so in this particular setup, so we don't want to worry about that. Okay, automatically system will find that. Okay, what to do. Okay, let me save this. Okay, save this file. Okay, save it. Okay, so come back here, close it. Okay, so now we are in this particular thing. Okay, I'll refresh one more time because sometime it will stuck. Okay, so because we are working on the web based, right? So that's why. So refresh at least. Okay, yes, now it is okay. So now you can see there is no error or something. Okay, till now. So you can see the status is the migration is not started. So that is the condition of this particular object here. Okay, now you can see, okay, we are using only one table for this. Okay, but in supplier you can see 32 tables are there. Okay, everything system was automatically determining, right? So we are not doing anything here. But in LSW or BAP or BADC, we want to give all these particular tables and everything. So we want to go for it. Okay, right. So what we are going to do now is, so let me go with this upload. Okay, I'll click on this upload here. Click on this upload. Okay, it's not responding. Just a minute. Let me refresh the screen again. I think there is some connectivity issue. Okay, let me try again with new connection here. Yeah, I think now it seems better. Yeah. Okay, right. So now the file is ready. So we have just taken that file. So now we need to, okay, so upload the file into our cockpit, right? Yes. So if you click on the download, you can see this is the option what we got here. So there is an option for uploading here. Okay, you can just drag it and throw it here also, that is also fine, or else you can just go with this upload and click on that particular option. Okay, either which is convenient. Okay, click on this upload. Okay, click on this upload here. So you will be getting a file. So go to the download. So there you can see the file is there. Okay, just open that file. So now you can see automatically the file will be taken over here. Okay, you can see, okay, it will be automatically, it will get uploaded here. Okay, we just done the upload. Okay, so we're just waiting for the file. Okay, already I just given. Yeah, you can see the file has been taken here. Okay, automatically the file has been taken here. Okay, so already the table, everything is already matched. What we need to do now, okay, after giving this, okay, so just go back here. Okay, so just upload it, that's it. Okay, we have not done anything here, just we have uploaded, that's it. So just give the next option. Okay, go back. You can see automatically the next action, so system is asking you to prepare. Okay, you can able to prepare. Okay, you can able to prepare this option over here. But same time you can able to see the here. So you can see the next thing is started for the mapping task. Okay, it is asking for mapping task here. Okay, so either you can complete this and come here, or you can parallelly start here also. Okay, right. So let me complete that. Okay, go for the preparation. You can see one table and one instance. So you can see not started. We need to prepare that. So just click on the prepare. So you can see, okay, so we are going to prepare that. Okay, so just give the prepare staging tables. Okay, automatically it will prepare, and you can able to see that. Okay, so there will be some activity will be running over here. Okay, we can see that. You can see there is a running activities happening here. So it will run in the background. Okay, you can see it will run in the background. Okay, now you can see it is run. It will not take more time, it has run. So before I open, it was run. See how fast it is. So go back. So now you can see, okay, it was run. There is no problem at all. You can see here now it is asking for a mapping task. So it is asking for a mapping task here. Okay, so automatically system will map all the fields into the thing. Automatically system will map. If system cannot able to find some field, okay, if it is irrelevant, it will ask you to map, because sometime it will not understand. So it will ask you whether it is right or wrong. Okay, so yes, so let me do this mapping task. So there you can see, okay, two things. Okay, it is asking two things here. So one is bank key and one is country key. This both thing it is asking you to confirm. Okay, it is asking you to confirm here. Okay, means they are not sure. Okay, the system is not sure, it is asking you to confirm. Okay, let me get into that. Okay, so let me select all these things and click on that. So it will take you there. So here you need to confirm that whether this is right or wrong, because system don't have this data, so they didn't see this prior. So it is asking that, okay, please confirm once, because it is not a system data, right? So what it is doing, we can just give a confirm, so it will be taken. System will not ask you anything. Okay, so this whole thing just a confirmation. Okay, any integer issue or any other issues it will not allow you, but now you can see it is confirmed. Same thing for the second one. So there you can able to go. So here we have given this IN. Okay, so whether it is right or wrong, so what we can do, just give a confirm. Okay, you can see both the things are confirmed here. So what are the things the system can't understand, so it is asking the people, okay, it's asking the user to make this right. Okay, right. Now what we need to do, now we need to go back, see what happened to the status. So it is done. Okay, so it is confirmed. Okay, just go back. Now you can see the last option. Okay, before last we have one simulate option. Before you migrate, you are going to simulate. Okay, you are going to simulate here. Okay, just click on the simulate. Okay, you can see all instance. Okay, let's do that. Okay, start simulation. Okay, you can see it was done. Okay, running activities there, you can see, go back to the running activity, you can see. So running time is 6 seconds. It is asking 6 seconds for the simulation. See, very precise. You can see it is gone. When it is gone, the job is done. Okay, if you go back there, you can see, okay, so the next stage, the final stage, the migration came. So you have done the simulation, right? You have done the simulation. Now you can able to migrate. Okay, what we need to do, just click on this migrate. So it will ask you for our start migration, same like simulation, but this time it will give you a warning that you can see you are going to migrate the data. The migration cannot be undone. Okay, are you sure you want to continue? Okay, so here where you need to confirm that, okay, whether you are going to continue or not. Okay, I'm just giving okay. So my process will start. You can see again I will get it in this running activity. Okay, you can see it will go for the background. You can see, oh, okay, so it is very fast. It's not going into the background. So 100% it is completed here. Your work is done. Your work is done. So like that we are going for the second one. So like that you can able to have for all the tabs here. So just it will take maximum for an example, if you have a team, if you can able to do maximum 2 to 3 days, you can complete the total migration of a company. It doesn't mean that you need to spend for 3 weeks or 4 weeks and you need to make an error, solve it, nothing like that. See, everything the system is doing here. So just you want to follow, just monitor. It's like just operating the system. That's it. So here you can see everything is available. 100% is completed. So now you can go for the mapping task here. Okay, click on the mapping task. Okay, there you can see, okay, something is not confirmed, to be confirmed here. So you just want to click on that and you need to check that. What is that? Okay, you are seeing that. Okay, so it is asking some integer here. Okay, so whether it needs to be confirmed or not. Okay, so just give a confirmation. Okay, so here it is saying some error. So you just want to click on that and check that. Okay, what is the available option is there. So no integration or integration with external systems. Okay, so maybe I can give, okay, so no integration for an example. Okay, just give a confirm here. So now you can see it will be confirmed. Always whatever the data you will not give, so it will not take it. Okay, so you need to check for that solution also. Now you can go back. Now you can see the download template came. See, same steps. If you do it for 1 or 2 times, you will just remember this field. No technical things, no technical consultant help is required. Just a layman can able to operate this well and wide. Okay, I'll just show you that. Okay, again, we cannot able to fill all this 32 tables. That will be too difficult, but I'll just show you that. Okay, how it will be. Maybe something is different is coming, so I cannot even show, right? I'll show you that. Okay, how it is. The same thing you will be getting. Okay, download template. Okay. So now we'll be getting a template. Okay, so now the template is big, right? So that's why it is taking time. Yes, okay, it was downloaded. Okay, now again the same method. Okay, open some Excel. Okay, use the same method. Okay, so Excel. Okay, open, browse, and there you will be getting the file. Okay, so downloads. Okay, there you can see the particular file. Okay, source data for a supplier. Okay, open that, so you will be getting the file. Okay, so easier, very simple. Okay, enable editing and all these things, same as previous thing. Okay, same as previous thing, but you will have number of fields. Okay, so you will have more details, because that is earlier is a bank data, only one page you have, you just filled up very easily. But here it is a supplier data, you have to give a lot of information, right? You just go to the field list, there you can understand, okay, these all fields you need to give it up. These all fields you need to give it up. Okay, but not all the things are mandatory. You can see only certain things are mandatory, other all things it's up to you, you can give. So that's not a problem. Okay, as usual, how we create a business partner, same thing here. Okay, so here you can see the general data. So here I can see the general data here. So what I need to give, so I need to give the things here. Okay, so what are the things I want, I can able to give this particular thing here. Okay, supplier. Okay, so the BP grouping here, and what is the account group. Okay, so then name all these things, name, title, and all these things, whatever we regularly we will give, all these things we can give. See, mostly we focus on the mandatory and we can start upload. Why? Because first we need to have a upload here with the basic information, then you can able to fill the information, or else maybe the user can able to update it later. So always the consultants will be getting for 100% accuracy. See, no migration we can able to do for 100% accuracy. That cannot be done. Okay, if you wait for that, your project will lag. So where you want to do is, what are the basic things, okay, for creating the supplier for the business partner, what are the things you want, just collect that and start creating the thing. Start creating that thing. So what will happen in the sense here, okay, with that particular data, the data will be created. All the business vendor, maybe 100 or 200 or 300, it will create at one stretch. So it will be created. For an example, see, first vendor, okay, first vendor detail I'm giving on this line, and second vendor on this line, third, fourth, five, I can keep it on this in one that particular Excel template. I will complete everything. Okay, yes, so it will be done. So it will be created. Later on, what are the things he wants to update, so he can update. So that is his work, right? Yes. So don't take everything on your head. Okay, as a consultant, think wise. So don't be like 100% like a user. Okay, be a consultant. So our work want to migrate the data, so which should run the supply. We are not giving any incompletion data. Okay, we are giving the completed data with them. For an example, this total data needs, for an example, 100 fields. But if you give 30 fields, this business partner will run. You just focus on the 30. Okay, that is the wise thing, or else we cannot able to do it. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so go for the BP role. So here you want to give the role, what is the role and what is the supplier and all these things. Then all other things, okay, all other things, okay, address, usages and all other things you can able to go for it. You can see, you can go for it. So you can go for it. Okay, so tax, company, so purchasing data, all these things. Okay, one by one you can able to give that. Okay, so only one time you need to give a proper training to the particular users. So with that, so we can able to get it very easy. Okay, so that is the condition. With that we can able to make it. So I think it will be fine for you. Okay, right. So this is a migration. Okay, so this is a migration here. So normally we do with this particular process here. With this migration, what we can able to do is, we can able to migrate the legacy data from any system. Because the tables, everything is automatically matching with the particular system. That's why we are taking the staging table option. If you take the first option, okay, so you need to give all these things one by one. Okay, now the work is very easy. Like that, if you take one project, okay, complete project, for an example, so vendor master, info record, source list, all these things in one project, so maximum 2 to 3 days you can able to complete that. Okay, it's very easy and very self-explanatory here. So based on that, the system will run very perfectly here. Okay, so that is the ultimate condition here. Okay, so regarding this particular process. Okay, so I hope the migration is very clear for you, right? This is the only app we have. Okay, so we don't want to have any multiple apps here. So we have only one app here. So with that app we can able to process this, right? This is the migration. If you understand this, so almost okay, your so career will be in good position, because normally, so next 5 years the people will be searching for the migration consultants mostly. If you are very well versed with this particular tool, and you can able to make this skill as a specified skill, and you can get into the market. Okay, then slowly you can go for the green field and all these things. So it will be super easy for you to make it done, right? Yes, so this is ultimately here. Okay, yes, okay, yeah. So I think let's close it for this. Okay, yeah. Bye, thank you.